Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see the difference between logical address and the physical address in the operating systems and the memory management unit. First, we can see what is the logical address. Address generated by CPU while a program is running is referred to as a logical address. This can be further understood like a logical address is virtual as it does not exist physically. Hence, it is also called as a virtual address. And this address is used as a reference to access the physical memory location, that is location in the main memory. The set of logical addresses generated by programs perspective is called a logical address space, we can say, and this logical address is mapped to its corresponding physical address by a hardware device called the memory management unit. And later we can see why this logical address is needed. Can't we have only the physical address for during the execution or fetching from the memory? So this I will address later. Next, we can see what is a physical address, and this is the actual address in the main memory where the data is stored, and the memory management unit computes the physical address for the corresponding logical address, and this uses the logical address, that is this MMU uses the logical address computing the corresponding physical address. The user never deals with the physical address. There is some reason for that, and I will discuss that later. That is, instead the physical address is accessed by its corresponding logical address by the user, and the user program generates the logical address and thinks that the program is running in this logical address, but the program needs the actual, that is the physical memory for execution, since the memory, that is the data is stored in the actual address in the main memory, that is data will be actually stored in the physical address location in the main memory. So the program actually need the physical address for execution. Hence the logical address must be mapped to the physical address before they are used. And now we can see why this logical address is needed. The need for this logical address is to securely manage our physical memory, we can say. That is, the logical address is used as a reference to access the physical memory location. That is, a logical address is generated so that the user program never access the physical memory directly, and the processes do not occupy the memory which is required by another process. So thus corruption will take place, that is that process will corrupt the memory that is acquired by the other process. So to avoid this logical address are used, and this is used as a reference to access the physical memory. And to securely manage the physical memory, we are doing, that is this logical address is used, and this gives an assurance that the new process will not corrupt the memory space that is occupied by another process. So this is what why the logical addresses are used. And now we can move on to the memory management unit that maps the corresponding logical address to the physical address. And this is a hardware device that maps a logical address to its corresponding physical address. That is, many memory mapping methods can be used for this type of mapping. And now we can see one of the method to map the physiological and physical address. And this here the scheme shown is the base register scheme, where it consists of two registers, that base register or relocation register, that contains the starting physical address of the process, and the limit register mentions the limit relative to the base address on the region occupied by the process. And the logical address generated by the CPU is first checked with the limit register, and if the value of the logical address generator is less than the value of the limit register, the base address stored in the relocation register is added to the logical address to get the physical address of the memory location. If you follow this diagram, you can see how this mapping is done by using the two registers, and finally the physical address is got. And this is about the mapping of physical address and the logical address. And now we can see with an example, the value of the base register is added with the logical address generated by the CPU, and the sum of these two values gives the physical address which is located in the memory. And here the logical address is 125, and which is added with the relocation register value to obtain the actual physical address. So but this in this register scheme, base register scheme, this physical address is found in using this way. So hope you have some idea about this logical addresses, physical addresses, and this memory management unit. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.